Hey, what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut headlight tint for this Ford F-150. The light smoke film has already been applied to the headlight and then the fog light. Another product we also have on here is this outer, I'm not sure what I'm going to call it yet. It's like the outer headlight eyelid maybe? I don't know, I'll figure out a name. If you're interested in either one of those, I have links in the video description below. Like I said, the light smoke film is already applied on there. I'm going to show you the dark smoke film application. Both have the same type of application. I just like to show you both films. So the light smoke's a little bit more subtle. This dark smoke's going to be pretty dark here. So get a mental image of how this looks. There's a good comparison on the factory to the light smoke at least. So that is no film. This is going to be the dark smoke. Dark smoke's pretty dark. I don't highly recommend it. It's pretty rough at night, but I mean, it's your vehicle. So you want to line this in the bottom corner first. Make sure you're lined up on this edge out here. Make sure to pull that up. Then you can start to work the film down. This is an air release film. Guess I should have mentioned that prior to starting here. But apply completely dry, unlike normal films for headlights and stuff where you have to apply them wet and squeegee all that stuff out. So just let that hang out there for a second. I don't know how the squeegee managed to get behind the tire. So prior to installation, you want to make sure your headlight's clean, and I would recommend just rubbing it down with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber. Once it dries off, you can go ahead and begin the installation. So again, this is the dry application. If you are getting linked to this and you purchased a wet application, follow the instructions on the sheet that's installed as far as the application fluid, and then same basic process. Obviously you just have the water to contend with at that point. But the light smoke and the dark smoke film, which are the two most common ones that we have, are going to be this dry application. So once you get that, you can start to work it down into this groove. Same thing at the top. And this upper corner is going to be the hardest. Just because it does curve in a couple different directions here. Once you get that done, you could focus on this part by the grill. And that is the installation on that. So like I said, if you're interested in this, available in the link in the video description below. if you look around, you could see images of both the light smoke and the dark smoke, so you see a side-by-side comparison, as well as the comparison on the factory light, so you get an idea of what you're getting here. So this would be the dark smoke upper, the light smoke fog light, and then that outer headlight eyelid, that's the matte black. So a ton of different color combinations. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is on our website, and thanks for watching.